Hey there guys, it's me Rob. Thank you for tuning into the Robs of Knowledge YouTube channel, and today we're going to show you how to easily pick a lock. Now the lock we're using today is a training lock, and I like these, especially if you're trying to learn or practice lock picking, as you can see all the internal components of the lock. I will put a link to this down in the description below, as I know I will get a lot of questions on where to purchase these. We're also going to be using a beginner lockpick set. Now you don't need one of the fancy 200-piece sets. You really only need a few pieces, and honestly, just the regular pick is the one you're going to be using the most, especially on the simple locks. And I'll put a link also to a basic lock picking set that you can get off of Amazon. So here is what we call our tension wrench. This allows you to put tension on the cylinder, which acts as the key would when you turn it. And the pick is what you're going to use to push down the pins, which allows them to line up to the shear line of the lock, which then allows the lock to turn and the shackle to open. So what we're going to do is just going to put our tension wrench in the top of the keyway on the opposite side of the pins. As you can see, the pins are at the bottom. And we're just going to apply pressure in whichever way the key turns. On this one it is clockwise. Most padlocks it is clockwise as well, but if you're picking some other type of lock, you may have to determine which way the cylinder turns, and an easy way to do that is just see which way gives any kind of like springiness. So as you can see here, clockwise, it has a little bit of back and forth motion, whereas if we go counterclockwise, it doesn't move at all. It's kind of hard to see on the video, but if you have a lock with you, you can see it and actually feel it. So what we're going to do is, this one is clockwise, so we're going to go ahead and put that in there, apply some tension, and I can normally get this one very quickly. So we're going to use a raking technique on this video today, and what that is, you just basically put your pick into the back of the lock, and you go all the way to the back pin, as you can see. Now this last pin doesn't move at all. This is non-operational, so this is the first operational pin. So what you're going to do is you're going to put your pick all the way to the back, apply some slight downward pressure, and then basically pull the pick out like so. Now as you can see, it rakes across all the pins, and with enough tries, this should line up all the pins in the lock. Now if it's a very high security lock, this method may not work, and you may have to watch some of the other videos. So let's go ahead and give it a try. As you can see, the shackle is locked on this, and let's go ahead and give it a rake. Slight pressure is applied. You can't have too much pressure or else the pins will just bind up, but let's go ahead and give it a rake. Didn't work that time, so we're going to reset the tension and try it again. Nothing that time either. Let's see if we can get on the third time, like in my other video. Nope, third time is not a charm this time. Maybe the fourth will be. And again, no. Oh, she's being a little difficult, Sally, today. No. Let me go ahead and reposition my tension. Actually, it was slipping a little bit, but let's try right there. Still locked, as you can see. And sometimes, depending on the size of your tension wrench, it may get in the way. That's why I repositioned it, but it slipped again. I'm going to go ahead and use the longer end of the tension wrench so it gets a little bit more grabbing surface and it won't move as much. There we go. Sorry about that. All right. And I believe that is it. So there's a quick video, guys, on how to easily pick a lock using a rake method. It did take me a long time in this video. I can only get it in one try, but I do have a camera right in front of my face, so I'm just trying to get used to that. I have a little bit of a new filming setup. But If you guys wish to view any of my other lockpicking videos, I will put those on screen now. Other than that, please hit the subscribe button. It helps me out so much. I'm trying to get to 10,000 subscribers by the end of this year. I know we can do it. Please hit a like button if you like this video or if it helped you out. And until next time, I will see you guys later.